Welcome my friends, it's Yuri. Nice to see you here. Let's start our weekly market outlook. I will show you best thoughts about gold, oil, indexes and other instruments which we will analyze together. That's why what is important at this moment, that you will be here with me and you will be till the end of this webinar, till the end of this lesson. Also, those who will be till the end, I will give you special promotion. I will give you special gift, those who will be till the end of this stream. My friends, at this moment, write down about the quality of video and sound, and that would be maybe the best signals that we can start. At this moment, I would like to write into Telegram that we had started, and would send as link again. We have started. We have started. We have started and join. Good. My friends, what about quality of the sound and video? Salam alaikum. See you, and sound is good. Good. My friends, at this moment I would like to apologize about echo. We moved into another office and so soon we will check it and we will repair it. That's why at this moment what you need to do, push like and write your questions. What instruments would you like to analyze, and after that we will start. Also, I would like to check from my phone. I would like to check quality of video and sound. If everything good, okay, awesome. We can start. I see that we can start. Okay, friends, at this moment in comments write what instrument would you like me to analyze right now. EURUSD, please. Okay, write all instruments and questions which you have about trading right now to me, and what I would like to share with you and what I would like to show you. My friends, many of you ask me about signals, about accurate signals which we send to our VIP members, and I would like to tell you that we have two types of signals, Forex and crypto, and many of you ask about it. Here is an example of our crypto signals. Take a look. April, 70% of profit trades. Take a look on May. If we without break even, 61% of profit trades. Those who join our crypto signals, take a look. All our signals, Cornix copy system, as you can see, all updates. Once a day I record analysis about major instruments. That's why right now below this stream you will find a link on my to our team, and right now write and ask about participation. That's maybe would be the best that would be the best investment. Also, here is Telegram link where you can write it. Okay, gold, British pound, USD. Okay, please, US 30. Okay, S&P 500 outlook for next week. Good, I will do it. British pound, gold, Apple. First gold, please. Okay, let's start from gold. As always, we start from major instruments. And also our analysis, as you see, Bitcoin, gold and oil. That's why I think it's important to write about those instruments. Also, my friends, about all cooperation, you can write to us. Here is in a contact comments I sent to you all our contacts where you can write and ask all the questions about education. Also, many of you ask about good broker. Below in contacts in description you will find good broker. Okay, let's start. Let's start our analysis. Push like, my friends. Let's start our analysis. Push like. That would be the best signals that we had started. Good. Okay, let's go from gold. As I mentioned to you before, take a look. About gold, I think, yes, good. At this moment, what we have on gold, as you can see, price bounced from this trend line accurately. pretty accurately. Also, I think you can see price might fall back out of this key level. Technically, as you can see, technically, once more, technically, price still bullish. Price still bullish. As you can see, we have these two trend lines which support gold. That's why till price above it, gold is bullish. Many of you ask me about some entries. You need to understand, till price here above, you can open buy positions, stop loss below this tail. You need to understand, if price will break it down and fix below, only that will change completely picture into bearish. What you need to understand about gold, what at this moment is not clear. First, why this picture is controversial? Because as you can see, we have this key level, false breakout of this key level, and price, first price didn't drop dramatically, and also when price broke it up, price didn't rose up dramatically. That means something wrong with gold at this moment. That's why, once more, at this moment, currently, at current moment, gold still above this trend line. Only when price will break it down, only from that case, downtrend will start. That's why you can open lower time frame H4 and you can see till price above all of this stuff. You can open buy position. That's all about gold. And also about gold, global trend up, local trend up. All news about coronavirus, printing money, everything up. Everything is for price rising. My friends, oil and gold. My friends, right now push like. I see only 4 likes. It's not enough for 40 people here. Right now push like, and also right, is it clear about gold? Maybe you have additional questions. My friends, is it clear about gold? What question additional you have? Right now, type why it's important. Because it's feedback from your side. When I have a feedback from your side, I can do better analysis when I know your questions. Euro USD will be the next. I'll do Euro USD, I promise to you. Just getting in. Hi. What are you drinking? Tea. I drink really good tea. Gold strategies. Could you repeat about gold, please? My friend, about gold, you will hear when this stream will finish. You will be able to watch gold again. Yes, gold strategies. I have a gold strategy. If you will take a look on TradingView, as you can see, I have 156 posts on gold, how to trade gold. I know how to trade gold, and if you want to learn how to trade gold, write to my team and ask about education. I'll teach you how to analyze gold and other instruments, because I create a strategy which works also on gold, oil and other markets. When you will master it, you will be able to trade all of the markets. About gold, okay friends, I think we can finish with gold. Do you use cycle analysis? My friends, I use key levels. That's a strategy which I use. Other analysis I do not use. Okay, let's go to Euro USD, and as you can see, Euro USD, nothing important has changed, because take a look on this key level from which price bounced many times, this key level and this key level. As you can see, Euro USD is still in this, inside of this range, and many of you ask me about some trades, some entries. At this key level, you can try to open entry. As you can see, I mentioned many times when price bounced many times from it. But what you need to understand, at this moment, where to open entry, it's only here, because in other cases price still in this range. My friends, when you want to trade some instrument, what do you want to do in a range? When I see so many of you ask me about some instruments, and that instrument completely in a fucking range, there's only one thing which you can do. is to skip and forget about it. Hi, what's your level for US 30 and DAX for reversal and of retracement? Thank you. Yes, I will send you. Good for short at this moment. Marcin, what do you mean? Gold? Does gold good for short? Clarify your question. How do you see DAX USD in the next week, stronger or weaker? My friend, we do not trade something like stronger or weaker. We follow the price. Follow the price. Price show to you buy signal, you buy. Price show sell signal, you sell. Never, once more, never just trade because you want to trade. Always follow the price. And what I would like to tell you, when you follow the price, you have possibility to make money, because when you want to move market, it's impossible. 5 trillion USD average daily volume on a fixed market. Even if you have few millions on your account, that means nothing for whole market. That's what you need to understand. What's the original price of gold? What is the original? You can open Chicago Mercantility Exchange and you will find original price of gold. Hi, sir. Okay, we will do British pound, Japanese yen. Once more, I would like to see from your side a like, because that's the best support from you. Only few likes. So many people, only few likes. Right now, push it and let's go. Go ahead. Go ahead, I did Euro USD, and let's do major instruments, major currency pair, and after that I'll do another market. At this moment, about British pound, what you need to understand, we open buy on British pound with my team, as you can see it here. We open buy in this area. Why? Because as you can see, price slow it down, and especially if price will break up this downward channel, there would be a powerful up price. Still, stop loss is really low and take profit in many times bigger. That's all. That's all what you can do on British pound. On British pound, I still think after breakout of this downward channel, there would be up price. It's like a well-in pattern. About next instrument, USD Canadian, my friends. To be honest, as you can see, we have range and volatility of that range decrease. At this moment, nothing to do, nothing. Australia. We have upward channel. In such case, there could be only a trade at border of such channel. New Zealand, take a look on this global range. As you see, so many major instruments at this moment in a global ranges. Take a look, Swiss franc, for so much time price still in this global range. Japanese yen. As you can see, price also so many months in this range. That's why many of you, when you ask me, when many of you ask me about some signals, about something like that, ask yourself what you can do when price in a range. What you can do when price in a range. Where would be your low entry with low and predictable risk? That's the main point in all trading. That's why, my friends, it's important to trade what's shown to us. I think, Muhammad, you saw USD Swiss franc, because once more USD Swiss franc in a range, global range. Type into a chart. My friends, is it clear that most major currency pairs in a range currently? Type into a chart. Yes, I see that most instruments in a range. Type into a chart. My friends, I see only one feedback from you, from Flu F, that yes, most of them in a range. Only from what you see on Euro British pound. My friend, for such cases, I think it's important for you to follow my trading view page, because
Hi everyone, it's Yuri.
Yesterday I recorded this analysis on Euro British Pound and nothing changed completely. I hope you saw. That's the reason why you should, right now, you should subscribe on my trading view page, and you should subscribe on my YouTube channel, and you should subscribe on my Telegram channel. Why? Because there you will get notification about the best instrument. Once more. About Euro British Pound, I would like to share with you my thoughts about Euro British Pound. As you can see, we have this key level, accurate key level. Few seconds. We have accurate key level. Where is it? It's here. 0.88664. From which price, as you can see, bounced many times, and if there would be a pullback and false breakout, that would be accurate by entry, something like this. Thank you, my friends. Thank you. Right now, subscribe on my YouTube channel, because you will get notification about all our lessons. I hope you saw when you open my YouTube channel, our YouTube channel, better to say. Take a look. When you open our YouTube channel, you can see BiKo Trading. Open our YouTube channel, and you would see that there are so many useful lessons, as you can see, about time frames, about how to overcome fear, how to choose broker, biggest mistakes, trading strategies, how to build key levels, difference between technical and fundamental analysis. All lessons, and all that lessons for free. That's why right now you should subscribe on our YouTube channel. Based on what the current moves up or down. My friend, your thoughts is not good, because as a trader you lose all money, and I would like to explain you why. Because as a trader you don't do this stuff. As a trader you create your trading plan every day. Like today I recorded only 3 instruments which I would like to trade, and what I did, I recorded 3 instruments. First was, it is Euro British Pound. I wait, if price will do a full back to this key level, I will open buy. The next point, it was about US oil. Why? Because US oil at this moment, at this key level, as you can see, it is from this level price made powerful downdraft. If there would be a false breakout of that level, I will open sell. As you can see, at this level, I will open sell if false breakout would happen. And here on UK oil also we have this key level. If there would be false breakout, I also will open sell. Why? Why it's important? Because at this key level I will have low predictable risk. When you ask like right that up or down, that means when you are like up or down, that means your risk is not clear in your trades. In that case, it's hard to predict how much money you can make. Yes, oil. I just did oil for you, my friend. I just did oil for you. Is it clear about oil that oil is still in this upward channel, upward trend, and huge possibilities that oil will do a deep pullback from this key level, or from this gap level. From one of these levels there would be could be a powerful downdraft here, as you can see, also gap level. That's why nearly one of these I would wait for accurate entry, sell after false breakout. Many of you can ask me, how can I trade false breakout, what about the rules, all the points. Yes, you need a time for learning false breakout strategies. That's why right now you can ask my team, and I can teach you how to trade false breakout. That's all. Go ahead, let's go ahead, my friends. And also some of you wrote me about British pound versus Japanese yen. Take a look about British pound, Japanese yen. As you can see, price in this downward channel. What you need to understand, British pound, Japanese yen will follow for British pound. At this moment, as you can see, we have such triangle, and you need to understand breakdown of this triangle will create down drop, breakout of this triangle can create uprise. That's why wait accurately what can happen the next. As you can see, it's really accurate triangle. My friends, type into a chat what instrument else would you like to see. Maybe some of you would like to see Bitcoin or some other currency pairs. Gold was my last option to keep doing with my more money are going low. So it means so much for me. Gold is still bearish, will it still be bullish today? My friend, about gold, I told you that gold at this moment, take a look, gold in a range, what do you mean bullish today? Gold at this moment, in this triangle, wait, breakout of this triangle, only after we can tell about gold. Okay, my friends, type into the chat what are the instruments to do. Also write your questions, because it's important to get your questions, because right now what I will do Bitcoin and other instruments. May I ask about Australia, USD and for Nasdaq 100? I told you about Australia. Australia in this upward channel, only at borders of this channel you can trade it. Let's go to Bitcoin, and after that I will do indexes. Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies. Also at this moment, my friends, we start crypto analysis. Type into a chat what other cryptocurrencies would you like me to analyze. Type into a chat what crypto instruments would you like me to analyze. I will do it again. So is it the best place to buy gold? Gold was best place to buy few days ago. When if you would follow my TradingView page, you would see when I wrote about gold. Take a look here. I told where gold, as you can see, I told where to buy gold. It was May 21. At May 21, it was a good place to buy gold, because gold from that place rose up 150 or nearly 200 pips. What do you want to do at this moment? At this moment, price in a range, and those who open buy when I send it, those made money and can hold, could close part of position and hold it without risk. At this moment, better to be out. Wait, subscribe on my Telegram channel and subscribe on my TradingView, and you will wait, because when I will see something accurate on gold, I will share it, like it was here on May 21. Okay, Bitcoin, my friends, Bitcoin. Bitcoin broke down this trend line. At this moment, everything looks like Bitcoin will continue down drop, because every high lower and lower, that means Bitcoin from this trend line, it is a possible sell zone. What can I tell you? If Bitcoin will drop, I think you understand that all other cryptocurrencies will drop, because on all of them in such triangle, what does it mean for all of us? When all of such cryptocurrencies in such triangle, they will follow Bitcoin. To be honest with you, only one cryptocurrency pair which looks independent, it is Chainlink. Only this cryptocurrency looks independent, but at this moment there is no signals. That's an example for you. Some of you ask me why it's important to learn how to trade key levels, but take a look how price accurately made false breakout and after that rose up dramatically. Take a look, that would be your risk and that would be your potential profit. That's a reason why you should learn how to trade key levels properly. That's the reason why I always tell to all people about key levels and how to trade it. How many lessons like this in a week, my friend? Thank you. For free, man, for free, open my TradingView page, Telegram channel and YouTube. All information here for free. About education, I recorded a step-by-step course where I teach people how to trade markets, how to build key levels, how to enter the trade, where to set take profit, what volume to use, how to choose good broker, example of good brokers. I did all of that stuff. That's why, what can I tell you? write to my team right now. Below this video you will get a contact. Okay, what else about that's why once more about Bitcoin. After pullback, my friends, it looks like after pullback there would be a sell signal, like stop loss above this tail, and technically potentially there could be a down drop even into this area. Especially I think there could be a drop minimum in this area. It is a minimum. Why? Because it is huge accumulation. 1 month the price was there, so many retail traders opened buy entries, and I think big players will hit their stop losses. That's why I think at least Bitcoin will drop into this area. That's all. That's all, my friends. That's all what we can do. As you can see, range and breakdown. That's all. What can you? What other questions do you have about Bitcoin and other instruments, crypto instruments? Some of you asked me that gold broke down some key level. Yes, gold could broke down. Because I told to many of you, if gold will relow, that will means the upward trend were broken. Also, take a look on gold. You can see that here how accurately price built this trend line. It's really accurate trend line. That means only if gold will break up this trend line and fix a ball, only that will create a buy signal. What's going on with YouTube today? Because I don't see all likes, I don't see your comments. Something going on. I don't know what. Please, what's your advice on gold now, my friend? At this moment, better to skip, wait for accurate signal. When I have accurate signal, I share it with all trading view members. I remember so many days ago when it was something like, I would like to share with you. So many days ago on gold I create a trading plan, and so many people laugh for me because like no, gold couldn't rise at this moment, but it was here. Take a look. May 14, you can open it here. I would send to you.
Welcome, my friends. My thoughts about
gold, in a chart, you can see gold here create accurate signals, and I share the signal with all people on TradingView. That's why what you need to do, you need to wait for accurate signal. When it will be, I will share, especially when I see on TradingView at least 150 likes. In that case, I share many stuff on TradingView. When I don't see, I do not share. Okay, my friends, we finish with crypto once more. At this moment, Bitcoin broke down trend line. Because Bitcoin broke down this trend line, that means Bitcoin is bearish. That's why after pullback, open sell with stop loss above this high. That's all. Let's go to indexes. My friends, type into your chat right now. Is it clear? Is it clear about gold, oil, Bitcoin, Euro USD and other major instruments? Is it clear? If yes, that would be the best feedback from you. Also, right now, push like and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Why it's important? So many lessons for free. And also, when YouTube sees that you subscribe on us, YouTube shows these lessons to more people, and that's the best feedback from you, from your side. Yes, yes to me. And also push like and subscribe. Okay, go. And about indexes, currency.com, as you can see, there is no such symbol. Oh my god, S&P 500, forex.com. At this moment, okay, my friends, totally up. You can see that from this place price try to do a down drop. As you can see, totally up. Every low is higher and higher. That means You need to understand, I don't know this game at this moment with indexes. Why? Because there are so many central banks which print money, and we don't know how much money they can print and bring into the market. We have on one side we have fundamental news like huge unemployment in US and other globally in the world, and second we have so much money prints. Also, what you need to understand, so many people, citizens of the United States, they have private pension funds, and most of that private pension funds, a huge part, they have in stocks. And when stock market drop, all their pensions also drop. That's why Federal Reserve System and United States government do not want to that drop dramatically, because also Trump will have elections so soon, and in that case many people will not vote for him. That's why at this moment, what can I tell you? I don't like to trade indexes these days. The next point. Better to trade indexes only at key levels and only when price moved whole ATR, and only in that case. We have only this key level from which price possibly can drop, can make a huge drop from this key level 3137. That's a good place. Also about DAX index. About DAX index, as you can see, the same with DAX index, also German government print a lot of money, Euro print a lot. And I think here we have a powerful level from which price made powerful drop. If price will do a pullback here, false breakout could create accurate sell entry. Gold clear, these guys are only listeners but not likers. I don't invite your analysis on oil. Could you analyze again, please? You will be able to watch my oil analysis after this webinar, after this lesson. Yes, I just did about DAX. My friends, for many of you, I told you, if you will be till the end of this webinar, I will do a special offer for you. We have special offer. It is for those who will buy BiKo Signals. You will get our educational course for free if you will buy 1 year signals. That's why at this moment, what you should do, here is our offer. As you can see, we have hot May 61% of profit trades on crypto market. On a fixed market a little bit worse, but also results good. That's why right now you can write to my team and ask about signals and about participation, and say that you saw this webinar and Yuri promised a free course, and my team will add you to our course which costs a lot, and we recorded it, and only our students can get access to that course. That are bonuses which I promised to you. My friends, a few words about Dow Jones. Dow Jones will follow other S&P 500. You need to understand, between Dow Jones, Nasdaq, and the S&P 500, huge correlation. But at this moment, on this market, Nasdaq, because there are a lot of technological companies, Nasdaq rose up dramatically. About Dow Jones, US 30, still, as you can see, price in this channel broke up, could create possibility to rise to the scale level, and only after that there could be possible drop, because like I told you, US government print a lot of money, and Trump want to Trump want to win election, and he will do everything. Take a look on Nasdaq. As you can see, just upward channel and rise. I think Nasdaq so soon Nasdaq could rehigh from previous bit. Take a look. Nasdaq nearly a few percent from its previous high. I think first breakout of this previous high could create accurate sell entry. That's why. Wait, it's important to see how price will approach to its previous high. It's really interesting. Thank you. I will give you my like. I don't want you My friends, thank you for your support, thank you for your time. At this moment, what you can do is the best. Best what you can do is invest into yourself and your knowledge, because I remember when I started my career in trading and I knew nothing about markets. I didn't know how to choose a good broker, how to trade. I had problems with my emotions, and you need to understand that all of this difficulties you can fix. Why? Because when you will have, just imagine, you have step-by-step plan, how to open entries, how to close entries, where to trade, what instruments to analyze, where increase volume, decrease volume, how to find investors. When you will have this knowledge, believe me, for you it will be far easier to trade. And that's what I teach you on my courses, and you can, below this lesson, you can join to our team, because believe me, it will save you thousands of USD and years in trading. If you don't believe me, take a look. Example of traders who write to me recently and ask for advice. Example, Jay from Malaysia. He blew out his 200k account because he didn't have strategy, he didn't have money management. As you can see, all trades on the same instruments, gold, oil. That's an example what happened to him. Also, my friends, another example, Muhammad. Another example, Muhammad, he also, as you can see, DAX, Deutsch, German DAX 30 index. As you can see, index rose up and he opened sell, sell and sell. As you can see, after few weeks, when DAX show accurate signal, I sent to him my trade on DAX where I open sell and earn 10,000 only in one trade. That's what I teach people. You don't need to trade every day. You don't need to trade all markets. You need to be you need to know what you are doing. You need to understand where to open entry. Yes, you will have stop losses. I have stop losses and it's part of our business, but your stop losses will be low and your potential profit always will be in many times bigger. Because example, in the DAX entry I put into risk 1,000 and I got 10,000. That's what I teach you. Even if you would have many stop losses in a row, 1-2 trades, recover all stop losses and you make money. That's what is a real trading, what is not like a gambling. If you want to become a real pro trader and if you want to save thousands of USD, thousands, for some of you even 100,000, and if you want to save years in your trading career, right now use contacts below this video in comments and write to my team and ask about education. For those who will choose good package, my team will do some special offer if you will say that you from this stream and this webinar. My friends, thank you for your time. Have a good day, have a good weekends, and have a safe trading. Bye.